Hi everyone! I'm Teacher Precious and welcome to Art Smart. Hey, kamusta naman kayo? How are you doing? I hope maganda ang inyong araw. So today we'll be drawing the human figure. Buong katawan naman ang i-drawing natin. Today we will draw a strong and healthy body. Okay, so ihandanan nyo na ang inyong paper, pencil, and coloring materials. Okay? Okay. So now, we'll try to draw a human body. Tatry natin mag-drawing ng buong katawan naman. So it's okay if you still draw a stick figure. So now, I'll just show you an example of how we can draw a human figure. Okay, mas solid naman. Okay, so this is just a preview. Okay, a basic preview of a human figure. Our topic will be a strong and healthy body, di ba? Kailangan kasi ngayon malakas tayo, mapalakas ang ating immune system. We need a strong and healthy immune system during this time, okay? Ano kaya yung pwedeng makatulong sa atin para lumakas ang katawan? What should we do? Nandito sa drawing, ano kayang ginagawa ng boy? Exercise! Okay, so now we'll draw a person, maybe doing some exercise. So let's start. Okay. So, we'll draw two persons, a boy at a girl. Okay? Or pwede rin parehong boy, pwede parehong girl. Nasa sa inyo na. It's up to you. You can just change the face and the hairstyle and the clothes. Okay? I'll just show you an example. This is our paper. Okay, so if we want to draw a boy and a girl, we should check the space. So how do we check the space if our drawing will fit? Okay, so using our finger, let's draw an invisible line. Okay, invisible line. Because sometimes, sometimes when we draw a whole body, sometimes it's too big, sometimes it's too small. Minsan masyadong malaki, masyadong maliit. It won't fit the paper. So, one skill of an artist is to be able to estimate the placing or the size of your drawing. So, invisible lines muna. Check nyo muna. So, kunwari, ito masyado maliit to eh. So, ito yung ulo, this will be the head, and this will be the body. This will be the head, this will be the body. Okay? Let's check, ha? So, we draw lightly first. So, instead of holding your pencil here, atras nyo muna konti. Hold it here, so your drawing will be light. Yan, ganyan. Okay? Light. Yan. Nakita nyo ba? Muna, drawing muna tayo ng boy. And then, check nyo if there's a space here. You should have to check if there's enough space here to draw the rest of the body. Before we add details, let's check if the body and the legs can fit. So, drawing lightly, look usog nyo yung pencil dito. Hold the pencil here and draw very lightly. Try to draw a light square. So draw lightly. Gawa lang tayo ng square. Okay? Almost the same size. Okay. Technique how you draw a perfect circle. Maybe instead of using your fingers, use your wrist. Move nyo yung buong kamay. Anyway, yan. So draw a circle and then draw a square. This will be the body. Almost same size. So pwede ma-measure nyo. You can measure using your fingers from here and then here. Okay. Also, if you're drawing like a kid or a cute character, the head can be bigger. Okay, but if you want to draw an older person, an adult, or if you want more serious drawing, the body should be a bit smaller. So sa advanced class na tinuturo yung 8 heads in proportion, may mga ganun pa eh. But for now, we'll do the very basic drawing. Para lang hindi stick figure yung drawing. Yeah, next, i-measure nyo from the circle up to here. Yan, like that. Can you measure? Can you do this with your finger? And then measure nyo lang here. This will be the estimate length of the feet. Yan, mga hanggang dito yung feet. Yan, so this will be the floor. Okay, now draw na tayo. Okay, so I'm using a pencil first. So let's draw the face first. So maybe for the eyes, I'll just draw a big circle and a small circle. Big circle, small circle. Can you see it? Yan. Simple lang itong eyes natin na hindi ito yung parang portrait na ginawa natin last time. Yan, nose. The next naman yung, what's the next part? We draw the nose. Usually, just make a simple nose, a letter J. Kita ba? Next, the mouth. Simple lang. Next, ears. Usually, the eyebrows muna, eyebrows. You can draw a boy or a girl. It's up to you. You can also change the clothes. But if you're starting, it's better if you just copy me. Diba? Remember, when we're still learning how to draw, we start by copying. We start through learning, through imitation. So if you want to be really good at technical drawing, you have to copy. Copy from real life, copy from photos. Okay, next, let's draw the ears. So when you draw the ears, diba? Align with the eyes, into the nose. Now we have the details of the face. So for the hair, simple lang sa akin. I'll draw a cap. So I'll draw a line here and then a curved line like that. Yan. Cap. Cap. Closer to the para kita. And then, look, just add a curved line here. Yay! Meron na siyang cap. And then hair. Zigzag lang. What's next? What do you call the part here? It's the neck. So, when you draw the neck, if you want a cute girl or a cute person or a kid, make the neck shorter. So, in this case, gagawin ko lang siyang parang curved line lang. Okay? If you want to draw an adult who's older, you can make the neck longer. Okay, now we have this, diba? And then we have the square. So the square is not actually the actual shirt. It's just an imaginary line. Okay, we might erase it later. Okay, yung ating square just lang, estimate lang. Okay. So let's draw the siguro I'll draw him doing this. Okay, isa nakapoda. Pwede rin both arms nakataas. Pwede rin both arms na ganon. Doing exercise. Sige, try natin nakataas yung isang arm, ha? Look at this drawing. Yay! Okay. So, yung isang shoulder niya, bababa. Okay. Yung isang shoulder niya, pataas. Kasi, di ba? O, ganun, no? Look, from here, look at the shoulders. Pantay siya. It's aligned with the arm. So remember, if you want to be an artist, you have to observe. You have to be observant. Kailangan, magaling kayo tumingin. Alam nyo kapag straight line to, so ito pababa, diba? Kailangan observant. Yung mga artist, observant sila. Okay, next, in here, can you draw a triangle? Triangle. Triangle. And then, dito naman, straight line lang. Actually, if you want a really better looking work, dapat medyo curved line para hindi naman straight yung clothes. Parang paper cut up. Okay. And in here, draw a square. Okay, next, let's draw the hands like this. So from here, look, one here, here. Oops, nakasya na kamay. Erase ko lang to. And for the hand, draw lang kayo ng circle, ng curved line. And then, ikulubot nyo lang. Hindi kailangan detailed yung hands, ha. And then, kung gusto natin nakaganito, okay, let's draw a line here. Line here. Check nyo, the width should almost be the same. Okay, like this. Okay, and then, draw curved line like that. Curved line. Curved line. And the thumb. Mahirap talaga yung hand. If hindi nyo ma-perfect yung hand today, it's okay. Okay, because our goal is just to draw the body and not to make really nice hands. Okay, next, draw na natin. Anong tawag natin dito? What are you gonna draw? Shorts or pants, jogging pants, or if you're drawing a girl, are you drawing a dress or jumper? So in my case, I'll just draw shorts. I'll draw two curved lines like this. Okay. Then, tignan nyo to. Okay, line here, and then, may gap sa loob. No, pwede ring swimsuit. Diba? Kung nga rin, nagsiswimming sila. Now, for the legs, oh look, diba dito yung line natin with this earlier? Diba kasi yan? So, gawan lang natin ng, usually you can draw line like this. Yan, and then, yan. Just make two lines. Make sure two lines lagi, ha? Para hindi naman stick. Maikli ata yung shorts ko. Habaan ko lang, ha? Maikli. See, sometimes I made mistakes too. Yan, para hindi na ako mag-erase, or that I won't erase, I'll just cover this up. Yan. Yun. And then, what are they wearing? Are they wearing slippers, rubber shoes? So usually, you just draw an oval. Hindi ka naman kailangan super detailed. We just want to draw simple shoes. You can draw your favorite sneakers. Okay. Are they wearing socks? Shoelace? Here. Then, erase this part. Itong box na ginawa natin kanina. Okay, there. Now, you can add some folds, you can draw pockets. Minsan sa details, ay, naku, naging maong na. Okay lang yan. Yan. There! Wearing, yan. Okay, how was your drawing? And then you can trace it with a marker. Sometimes, to show that this part is the knee, para magmukhang tuhod to, lalagyan nyo ng guhit. You can put lines like this. Yan. O, diba? Yan. How's your drawing? Satisfied? Satisfied? Hindi naman short, maikli yung legs. Hindi naman stick yung legs. Okay? Because maybe some of you ganito pa mag-drawing, oh. Okay, and that's okay. Of course, when you're young and when you're learning, you draw a stick figure, diba? Ganyan. It's okay. Yan. Okay, next, let's draw the girl. Maybe in here I let her wear jogging pants. Jogging pants. Kasi nag-rest siya, galing din siya sa jogging. So now let's draw the girl. Sige, bilisan na lang natin to, ha. So it's the same. You have to trace the paper with your finger to make invisible lines to check where should you put the body parts. So maybe in here we'll draw the girl. I'll make here a bit smaller. Draw a circle for the face. Or maybe a letter U. Okay, next let's draw the circle, a square again. Just to estimate the body. And then look out. While I'm sketching, since this is my first sketch, am I making a light stroke or dark stroke? Come on, this is dark. This should be a light stroke. Light lang muna. So that when you erase, it's easy to erase. Okay? Okay, so for this one, yan, estimate natin ito yung use your fingers to measure head to body. And then here, dito yung legs. Yan. Para hindi masyadong long legs, hindi rin short legs. But if it's short legs, it's okay. It's more cute. Mas cute tignan. Okay, so now let's draw the girl. So, I'll draw her with a happy face. Ganun. Stretching. Super happy. So, I'll just draw two curved lines like this. Yung ating happy face. Next, nose. And then, a happy mouth. Ito, smiling mouth. This one will draw a super happy mouth. You draw a straight line, curved line, and then another curved line, a straight line for the teeth, and curved line for the mouth. Okay, next. So now I'll just make a simple hair. curved line, tapos circle. Okay, lines. Draw natin yung hair. So first, draw this line and then draw 2 ribbons. 2 circles for the ribbons. And then, okay, look, a line here. Look, up, down. Up, down. Yan. Zigzag. Yan. Like that. And you can darken the lines. Yan, dinark ko na yung lines, ha? Here. Next. Okay. And then, maybe here, she's wearing a sleeveless blouse for stretching. Sando lang yan. So, I'll just follow the square line. You can follow the square line like this. Okay, like that. Yan. Okay, next. For the arms, I'll do stretching arms. Maybe pataas. Like that. 2 lines. Then 2 lines. And look, I skipped the hair kasi the hair is in front. So when you draw the arms, don't draw just 1 line. Just make 2 lines. Make 2 lines para naman. Yan. 2 lines. Okay. And then the hands. Look. 1. Yan lang muna. Curve line. Kita niyo ba? Like that. Okay, you can also watch the replay if you want to review because sometimes the first try is not so good. Minsan pag nagtatry kayo, yung unang try nyo, hindi ganun kaganda. Kasi ganun talaga pag practice. Next, look. Curve line, curve line, curve line. Oops. So maybe I'll wear a skirt ba or pants? Akong skirt kasi we don't do skirt in yoga. Maybe jogging pants na lang. Yan. Gusto nyo nakataas pa yung isang legs. Yay! Lagyan ko ng curve line ng konti. You can add some curve line. To show that it's a cloth, na tela siya. Kasi baka magmukhang matigas kapag square-square tayo mag-draw. Look. So look, that's the size. Look at the size of the jockey pants. Almost the same. Yan. And then, feet. Yay! Oval. And draw the shoes. Ay, kung nag-yoga siya, dapat hindi naka-shoes. It's okay. Okay? Yan. There! Yan, lagyan nyo lang ng curved lines. Ng folds para sa 2 folds. Yay! Now we're done with our strong and healthy body. Okay, you can add lines like this. Ayan. These are called leading lines to give emphasis dun sa inyong artwork. Yan, strong and healthy body! Yay! Good job, everyone! So, thank you for joining us today. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Bye!
Know your art, be art smart.